Welcome to Diamond Protec's Nano Diamond Composite Coatings. You've selected Diamond Body, our 18-month kit for body surfaces. This kit includes prep and application supplies that are specifically selected to give you the highest quality coating performance, with one easy coat that requires no professional experience. This combination of products will remove all polish residues, waxes and sealants before applying our amazing hydrophobic protection that will last up to 18 months. This kit includes Diamond Body Prep with a spray head, Diamond Body, our revolutionary nano diamond coating technology, an applicator, a microfiber towel, and a pair of gloves. Diamond Body Prep is applied in 4 very simple steps. Prepare the surfaces by washing and decontaminating. Shake the bottle well, spray onto the surface area, and wipe down with a clean microfiber cloth. Diamond Body is applied in 4 easy steps. Drip onto applicator, apply to the surface of 1 to 2 vehicle elements, allow to bond for only 1 to 3 minutes, and polish off the excess. Your vehicle is now protected, ready for the road, and will stay protected for up to 18 months. Mastering the mixing of enriched nanodiamonds for over 7 years, Diamond Protec has created evenly distributed diamond armored elastic coating with inherent hydrophobic characteristics, offering cars a new revolutionary coating option. It's heat-resistant, UV-resistant, water-repellent, and provides the highest surface hardness and abrasion resistance that technology can offer. It also resists corrosion because it's inorganic, thereby having a slower erosion time than any other competitive product. This is the new generation of car protection, exterior and interior. For full step-by-step instructions on how to apply Diamond Body, click the link below.